Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the College of Winterhold, so let's get right into it. But before I do, I want to apologize for using a screenshot. This is a way for me to save space and to upload these videos faster, so bear with me. Anyway, you don't need any prerequisite quest to actually go to the College of Winterhold. If you talk to Farengar in Jarl Balgruuf's court in Whiterun, he will tell you that you can go to the College of Winterhold to become a student. And once you actually come here, you will arrive in Winterhold, and once you go to this gate, you will be met with a high elf mage who she will tell you to prove that you can cast magic. You will need to cast either a mage light or any spell that you can. You can also prove in any other way that you can cast magic, and once you do, you will be able to go into the college. She will take you into the college herself, and once you're here, you can go into the main lecture hall, and once you're there, you will be attending a class by this mage teacher who I forget what his name is. However, it is a class on lesser wards, and if you just listen to that class to the end, you will complete the first quest of the mage questline, or the College of Winterhold questline, and after that you will officially be part of the College of Winterhold. If you do the questline up to its end, you will become the headmaster as well, so that is very nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.